So viewers, welcome back to Grand Duniya. We are now entering into a JALEBI factory. Okay, now this is the factory. We need to have some ingredients how to prepare jalebi. Just learn very carefully. So these are the ingredients: flour, corn flour, hangkad, pinch baking soda. Then next you have to prepare ghee, sunflower oil, sugar, and accordingly water. You have to prepare everything as required. And then next, stand saffron, rose essence, powdered green cardamom, and edible food color. So these are the things next we need. So how to make jalebi butter? This is very important. So this is the screen. You just learn everything. And there is another step. In the second step, how to add water. And next, butter for, these are the steps, third steps I mean. So this is important for making the best jalebi. Actually in India, mostly in the villages, jalebis are best cooked, in the sense that they have the best preparation. And there is another thing how to prepare best jalebi is, you have to take the idea, I mean the cook has to take the idea whether the oil is in proportionate hot condition or not, whether it is properly fried or not, and how to pack, I mean the butter and everything. So accordingly you have to increase and decrease the flame, and you can add some other things like many things for adding smell, and how to put in the liquid sugar. This is also another technique. So in this way you have to prepare jalebi, and whenever you put the butter into this oil, I mean vegetable oil, then you have to follow the proportionate portion. Otherwise the taste will be different. So this is the way, respected viewers, you just prepare the ingredients first and you put everything as required. And this is another scene, how to put the fried jalebis into sugar portion. You have to do likewise. And you have to notice the color, how it comes out. When it is floating on oil, you have to know everything. Thank you all. Kindly keep in touch with the channel.